What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. Just back to give you guys a little sales update. Um, Sales are starting to be a little bit more consistent again. Just kind of bouncing back from deleting a lot of designs that I had um, when they had the new rule changes and um, different things we couldn't have in our keywords. And I went through and deleted a lot. So um, now I just been putting up some fresh designs and see what happens. Um, but this week has been pretty consistent, pretty much like two a day. Um, 3 1 2 2 1 2 3 2. So far I made $57. I'm definitely on track to beat last month. So yeah, today I have two sales, but it so happened to be two different things that have never sold before. So, um, they were at 1307, and then this Apple case, I forget what I priced it out. I'm just now starting out, kind of doing Apple cases. I wasn't fucking with them for a while. But yeah, that's what's going on today. Let's check the analytics. Let's go the last 7 days. So yeah, I feel like a momentum is coming very soon. This is my first year um, being in May, so I don't have any analytics to actually go by and see how this month's really supposed to be. Um, but I think, summer's approaching. This is a long time. They just um, said that people that got vaccinated don't have to wear their mask. People are trying to get out. Um, you know, the weather's getting better, so I feel like there's going to be a pickup in sales, which I can already feel there has been. And also, just thankful for Amazon for going through and getting all these copycats out of here. So that's a good thing. They've been deleting a lot of people's stuff. Okay, but so 16 sales this week, average of $2.45. Been making about $5 a day. 8 unique products sold. Okay, so standards, Apple cases, 2 cases, 14 shirts, 50% men, 38% women, which that math is weird. But yeah, so that pretty much black and navy is what really sells the most for me. Let's look at this. This is my number one seller. I'll talk about this one all the time. Um, I only sell it for $14.99. If I press up the price anymore, stop selling. One word text shirt. Um, these are some newer products that I have it for $18.99. Or if it's up from $18.99 and up, usually it's on the front page, almost the front page for me, or just a new product that I posted because I'm trying out, doing higher prices. Um, let's see, these three are products I think that never sold before. Anything else Apple case that sells definitely new for me because before I didn't have any cases. So yeah, it's been a cool week. Um, I'm just always ready for Q4. I'm ready. I'm ready for it. I'm plotting on it. Last year for Q4 or for December, I sold 137 products. So I'm looking for a month like that. Definitely having a strategic plan in order for Q4. And that's one thing I really want to stretch to you guys is to make sure that you guys are posting for holidays way in advance. Like, I'm gonna start posting for Christmas in July. You know, getting to it. I might start posting before that, to be honest. So, but I'll probably start going hard on it in July because you want to get set up for Q4 because it is the best for Amazon. So yeah, that's all I got for today. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys hit the sub button for content like this in the future. And yeah, till next time.